The T28 Trojan RC Plane is equipped with an advanced Xpilot gyro stabilization system, making it remarkably stable and easy to control, even for beginners. This RC plane is perfect for new pilots, offering 3 levels of flight control that provide varying degrees of assistance to help users gradually improve their skills. Designed for outdoor adventures, the plane's radio control system boasts a range of 656 feet and features strong anti-interference capabilities, making group flying sessions more enjoyable. The efficient gearbox system enhances thrust and power, allowing the plane to achieve higher speeds while conserving battery life for flights lasting up to 20 minutes. With its ready-to-fly design, the T28 Trojan RC plane requires minimal setup, needing only the transmitter batteries to be airborne in just 1 minute out of the box. The portable packaging ensures that you can easily take this RC plane wherever your adventures lead, providing convenience and ensuring you're always ready for takeoff.